Hi, so hello friends. Now today I want to show you how to use the Samsung EcoTip feature. So this is my Samsung, and this is the EcoTip cleaning function. I'm using a application Samsung Cleaner. So initially, before cleaning, we need to check whether any dust is clotted in this machine or not. We need to clean it properly. So after cleaning, we directly use the tray, detergent tray, and pour all the Samsung tub cleaning detergent in it. So I completely emptied it. So after emptying it, just close the lid, and now we as it is on. Now I select the power button, and now I will change the function to 8, as my tub cleaning eco tub cleaning is on function number 8. So just I gave the function number 8 and start. So initially it might take so much time, like mine is taking like 3 hours. So select select so it will automatically take all the functions like wash, rinse and spin. I think my process is getting started. Okay, yeah, it is getting started. I can see the spin. So that's it guys, it will automatically collect how much water it requires and it will stop. Thank you.